Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the environment and capture chain so the fixes actually work. Close windows, turn off HVAC or isolate the source. You want steady background below about 40 dB. Then pick a directional microphone and position it 4 to 8 inches from the mouth to favor direct sound. Record at 24-bit, 48 kHz or higher, and keep peaks around -12 to -6 dB so processing has headroom. Once done, export a reference clip of 5-10 seconds of room noise to use later. Now you tackle the main cleanup using focus tools and measured settings. First, add a high-pass filter around 80-120 Hz to remove rumble while preserving warmth. Make sure voices still sound full. Next, capture a noise profile from the reference clip and run spectral denoise or noise reduction, dialing reduction until artifacts appear, then backing off. After that, use subtractive EQ to remove narrow resonances and gentle compression to even levels. Make sure to listen at finish by polishing and exporting a reliable master. Use spectral repair tools to remove clicks, breaths, or specific intermittent noises without affecting surrounding speech. Be surgical. Then automate subtle EQ moves and final gain rides to keep dynamics natural, and export as high-quality WAV or MP3 at appropriate bitrates. If you hear denoise artifacts, reduce the reduction amount or switch to manual spectral editing on problem areas. Alternatively, re-record with improved isolation if noise still dominates. That single troubleshooting tip often saves the whole file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.